Yeah, so this sound songs or sounds of the letter song is my favorite because it teaches you the facilitator, each letter and its sound. Also, it's an easy way to help the children connect it with other things in the school environment or home. So assuming a child who knows the same rhythm, answer the apple, ah, 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 balls are bouncing, ba, ba, ba. So you see, it follows the same rhythm. Now, even as they play, as they are in the classroom, they can just relate it so that they get the initial sounds idea of anything. So they can be like, oh, I'm holding a pencil. Then you have a sound play or game with them. Let them sing the song as pencils, pencils, pa, pa, pa. Pencils, pencils, pa, pa, pa. Pencils, pencils, pa, pa, pa. Pa is the sound of P. You get it? So they can be just eating a toffee, and then you'll be like, what are you holding? Is that a toffee? Have you sing a song for toffee? Toffees, toffees, ta ta ta. Toffees, toffees, ta ta ta. Toffees, toffees, ta ta ta. Ta is the sound of T. So this gives them an idea of how sounds begins each word. Okay, this is my favorite phonics songs. You can go ahead and use the Jolly Phonics songs to also teach them the sounds of the letters. But I see this to be my favorite because they really relate it to different things, and this enhances their understanding of initial sounds of words. So let's learn the sounds of the letters very well. Then we can now move on to teach them other things. Let's continue our learning.